Good day, everyone. Welcome to weekly Forex recap. Monday, May 27th. Price is a little bit slow, but nevertheless, we are in trading environment. So we might see some setups that might develop a little bit later, maybe during the day or maybe during the night. So yeah, I have prepared some setups for you. I will type it real time because I need to scan the charts as the price is not moving at all. It's very slow, but I hope that there will be some pullback so we could actually trade. So weekly Forex recap, as always, the same time. Risk disclaimer, guys. CFD and Forex leveraged products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. It's not suitable for everyone. Please inform yourselves about risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Trading rules always the same. I don't need to repeat them always. So these are trading rules. So guys, if you are watching this for the first time, you can. Because this webinar is being recorded, it will be uploaded to YouTube. Pause the screen and see trading rules. Trading rules always the same. I haven't changed them. So last 5 years, always the same trading rules. Okay. And this is what happened last week, guys. If you traded the GBP, the Bitcoin dollar, that was the best trade. I don't trade it. I always say just analyze it. But this is how much you could have made even with Bitcoin dollar from these weekly Forex setups. Euro dollar positional alternative trade for plus 75 pips. GBP dollar plus 130, Australian dollar plus 80, dollar CAD minus 20, Bitcoin plus 650. And then gold plus 150, and total pip pool was 1,065 possible pips. Of course, it doesn't mean that you or anyone could take all of this, but some anything from this pip pool is fine. So I will show you what happened. Euro dollar, and everything is done, of course, with my Camarilla MACD MTF analysis and trading method. So this is euro dollar. Okay. Sell was 12.15. Buy position was activated within the zone 11.30. And this is how much it went afterwards from this spot to this spot. Okay. Then the GBP dollar, the trade of the week regarding Forex market, sell was activated here, and see what happened. So this is the time of our webinar, 7 o'clock platform time, and this is what happened afterwards. The Australian dollar, exactly at this spot, it was sold, and bang, it went down. The dollar CAD was a loss. The price went to the POC zone, it hit the stop, and then proceeded upward. It happens from time to time. Bitcoin dollar, the trade of the week. Sell 81.25. You see 81.50. I said it was a sell, but the price was at 81.25 couple of times, and then it was sold towards 7,447. So this was counter trend alternative sell. Gold 1270 was buy, and yeah, it went exactly as planned. So you see, so from these setups here, 1,065 possible pips. Of course, with the Bitcoin, not just with Forex, but it captured the majority of this move. Now, guys, for this week, we need to scan. We need to scan it right away. Okay. I expect euro dollar also to proceed upward. And basically, yeah, I for all of you who are first time here or who already purchased the Camarilla MACD MTF, I've done the update on Camarilla Make the MTF, but it doesn't work on every platform. And now I'm in process of rebuilding the code. Carlos, our friend and trader, is helping us. So we should probably see the indicator soon. I will update it, of course, but it doesn't affect signals on my MT4 platform. Ali saying it was excellent result, Nenad. Unfortunately, I did not take any recap trade last week. It doesn't matter, Ali. We will take it. Don't worry. Especially when I mean, I will send signals, and these are all signals from my Camarilla MACD, both previous version and new version. But this new version of the indicator, as soon as it is coded, I will share with all of you who bought Camarilla MACD MTF. So don't worry. Yes, it needs to work on every platform. So I will do it again, and I hope that it will work. But we need to wait. Be patient. I'm doing it. Yes, 3.3 version, and of course, we still can use older versions because they are valid. But 3.3 will have 3 additional filters. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, and this indicator is good. It's 4-hour daily historical levels of support and resistance. Okay, so it also is very useful for marking potential bounce spots and POC zones. So 1180 is the POC zone, 1155 is stop loss. Target for this move is 1235. Okay, so this is how we will make it. For this week, euro dollar is in uptrend, of course. This is from an intraday perspective, intra-week perspective. Positional buy trade is 1180. Stop loss 1155. Always add 5 pips plus the spread. TP 1240. And sell is 1240. Stop loss is, I think it's 1285. Target is 1205. Okay. Yeah, that's it. This is great confluence here. The GBP dollar. It's a little bit flat, so we need to go with the ranging moves. This is flat, ranging. I would say it's sell 27,670. This is a sell here. Okay, yeah, 27,70 is a sell. Is ranging. 2770 sell. 2810 is a stop loss. Target is 2645. Potential positional buy because it's ranging. And 2770 potentially. This is it. The Australian dollar. The Australian dollar. Let's see. Today it's actually a holiday. It's holiday for US and UK traders. Ilya is saying you mean alternative sell. Ilya, it doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe alternative sell, but you got a point probably. Yeah, it's sell. Thank you but this is just a typo, of course. This is sell. Now the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar is a buy, definitely here. 68.95. Yeah, but now we have a sell also here. Obviously, yeah, I'm waiting for this drop. So 68.95. Okay, buy position. Stop loss 68.60. And the target is 69.30. Not exactly a 69.30 is a sell. 69.60. Yeah, this is very rangy pair. See, it's very, very, very close now. Okay, next one is the dollar CAD. Looks like the price is trying to go up. But again, this is ranging market. What is this? This is ranging market, guys. Total range here. Sell here. I would say 34.80 is a sell. Nice confluence. And 34 is a buy. So dollar CAD is ranging. 34.80 is a sell. 34 is a buy. Stop loss is 30 pips here. Yeah. Not very, very, very well market to trade at this point. Yeah, very rangy here. All these cluster historical levels are also there. So it's a bit rangy here. But buy, sell. Now the Bitcoin dollar. Uptrend. 83.00 is the zone. 83.0. Well, even lower. I would say this is tricky now, but I would say this is 83.00. Sell is 92. Wow. Weekly H5. Okay. 83.00. This is going up, it seems. Stop loss is 100 pips. TP 92. And that is where traders should sell, I think. Okay, the Bitcoin. And now we go to gold. Uptrend. 1280 buy. This is where I expect to buy 1280. Sell 1290. Okay. $50 pip stop. This is it. Okay, guys. I will roll the slides. Don't worry. I will roll slides again. This is euro dollar. Yeah, and I will take a look at oil and gold. No worries. Sure, guys. Okay. GBP dollar. The Australian dollar. the dollar CAD, Bitcoin dollar, and the gold, XAU USD. Yeah, I have the ideas about DEX. And also, few guys asked me about what I think about Huawei and US situation with Google and Huawei. I already told you my opinion. South Korea during 1980s and 1990s, they were not rich. They were rice farmers. They were farming rice, and US invested a lot of capital in South Korea. And of course, it's a natural thing that if they invested in South Korea, they need to protect their investment. And they're big allies with South Korea, right? So Samsung is South Korean trademark, and it's definitely one of the best phones in the world. And Huawei just made maybe a little bit better phone and better thing with Android. So a part of this war, quoted, between China and US is actually protecting South Korean Samsung. I mean, that is my opinion, but it doesn't mean that I'm right. But yeah, I mean, it sounds logical, guys, if you think a little bit deeper. And we will see what will happen, of course. But there are a lot of other Chinese manufacturers that have the access to Google, and in my opinion, their phones are even more quality build. Like, for example, OnePlus Pro 8, OnePlus Pro 7. I will get it in next 2 or 3 weeks, I think. So OnePlus 7 Pro, it's my next phone. So yeah, I was thinking about Samsung and OnePlus 7 Pro, and I will go for OnePlus 7 Pro, definitely. I still have my own Samsung. I have Google Pixel. I also have Huawei. So I have 3 phones, but I always like to go for next generation phones, and I will go definitely for that one. So that is my answer for well, a part of Huawei and US problem. Okay, now questions, guys. Can you take a look at oil and gold? Yeah. Okay. Now your questions: oil and gold. Oil. Okay, I don't have it here. I will open another platform. Wait, just give me a few seconds. Gold, I already told you, the setup for gold, but I can do it again. This is gold, and you see the price is now in uptrend, and it looks like it started to move up. This is inverted head and shoulders. So the price could actually drop here, and I think it will be bought. We have double confluence here with daily historical support. This is 4-hour historical support. This is Bollinger Band ATR. So I think this is the way to go long, 1280. And around 1290, 1293, I think this is the zone for shorting, because this is order block. This is order block. You see the order blocks. Order block. Okay. And yeah, this is the order block also. See here. So yeah, this is the way to go to sell. Regarding oil, give me a few seconds, guys. Just oil. Okay. I would say this looks like inverted head and shoulders. Watch for reversal pattern in between 59.27 and 59.67. If you don't see any reversal pattern, then watch for reversal pattern around 60 to 60.36. This is even stronger. So I would say either here or there is a sell. But yeah, so this is inverted head and shoulders. It should go up, but then either here or there is a sell. DEX, yeah, of course. A bit rangy today due to the fact that we have holidays on in major markets. So nothing specifically. This is the range. Obviously, you see daily 4 hour. So below 12,035 is a short. Above 1208 is a long. So, but watch for this 1224. So only if the price breaks the range to the lower side and to the upper side. But I would say if it breaks lower, then watch for shorts below 12,025. And if it goes higher, 12,108. But this is resistance too, so it could hit resistance. Maybe if it breaks 1276, it will also go up. But definitely rangy. Totally rangy. Australian dollar yen. Yeah, Australian dollar yen. Yeah, this was a signal, obviously. I missed it today, but I already have a New Zealand dollar yen. So, yeah, this is it. This was a good signal. Yeah, you see? This was a potential short, and this is a short here. So I would say 75.98 is a short. This is all short. Here could be a buy. 75.60 because it's 4 hour historical support left shoulder. So this could be a support. I don't make any counter trend trades, but maybe I would pay attention to this. But now, Ilya, I really don't make any counter trend trades. I need to sort my MTF, then move to counter trend template. If you are long, be careful because now obviously we have a correction here, and watch this. So yeah, maybe, but if you are long, you need to place your stop below this level because if it gets there, it could reject. But if it breaks 75.70, then it should proceed lower. GBP Australian dollar. Sell between 83.68, 83.80. This is a sell. This could go up, but it needs to break 83.42 because this is now X support turn resistance daily. So it needs to break here to go there. So I would say 83.70 to 80 is a sell. Watch for that. Definitely. Yeah, watch for that. Okay, guys. I think this is it. I will roll the slides again. Let's see what we can have for this week. It's slow. It's normal because, guys, it's a bit, markets are very slow due to the fact it's holiday. So, yeah, we cannot do anything about it. Euro dollar, GBP dollar, the Australian dollar, the dollar CAD, the Bitcoin dollar, and gold. If you don't have any questions, guys, we can call it a day. This webinar will be uploaded, of course, to YouTube. Let's see how this week will favor us. And I hope that we will make additional pips. Okay, guys, I wish you a great trading week. And as always, cheers and trade safe. See you soon.